Close your eyes for a second. Can you feel it? That voice inside you, full of dreams, full of stories, but trapped behind a wall of fear. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when you try to speak, your heart beats fast and your voice fades away. You feel like a stranger in your own language. It hurts, doesn't it? To have so much to say, but no way to say it.
But here is the truth, my friend. You are not weak. Your English is not bad. You have just been training your head instead of your heart and your mouth. English is not a test to pass. It is a spark to ignite. Your mouth is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs to be set free. When you stop worrying about being perfect, you start being real. Today, we don't just practice sounds. We reclaim your confidence. We train your mouth to move with the rhythm of your soul. Because when you speak from your soul, the world doesn't look at your mistakes. They look at your light.
So take a deep breath, let the tension go. Your voice is waiting for you. It's time to stop watching and start speaking. It's time to let your spark shine. You are ready, you are capable, and we are right here with you. Now let's talk about something that makes you go from local to global. It's sound blending. In English, words aren't spoken separately, they flow into each other. When you understand the rhythm of whatcha instead of what are you, the burden on your tongue lightens. Call it sound flow. It makes your speech so smooth that listeners will be amazed.
Do you get tired while speaking? Do you lose your breath? It means you're speaking with fear. Speaking English is like a dance, and breath is its music. A soft breath before every sentence calms the brain. When you breathe calmly, your confidence becomes audible. Remember, calmness is power. Your breath is the foundation of your voice.
Another great exercise is the echo method. When you hear a fluent speaker, immediately repeat their words, but with their exact tone and emotion. Don't just copy words, copy their soul. This exercise builds a direct connection between your ears and mouth. It helps your brain see English as a natural feeling instead of a difficult subject.
Successful people don't speak fast. They speak wisely. Learn the art of pausing. When you pause for a second after a sentence, you give your viewer a chance to understand. This pause shows you aren't afraid. You are in command. Your silence also says a lot in English. This is called high-value communication. Pauses add weight to your speech.
We all make mistakes. But remember, connection is better than perfection. If you say a wrong word, don't stop. Smile and move on. People aren't here to check your grammar. They are here to hear your story. When you stop worrying about being perfect, you start being real. And the world always loves real people. Your mistakes are the path to your destination.
From today, make a contract with yourself. Just 10 minutes daily. These exercises aren't magic, they are discipline. In these 10 minutes, you aren't just speaking English. You are building your new identity. An identity that is confident, successful, and looks the world in the eye. Discipline is the spark that makes an ordinary person extraordinary. Can you give these 10 minutes to yourself?
See yourself 1 month later, 1 year later. You are on a stage or in an interview, and your voice is clear and impactful. Everyone is looking at you with admiration. This isn't a dream, it's your future if you start training today. Every day is a new step. We at English Daily Spark are with you every day, holding your hand.